Hello viewers, how are you? I hope everyone is fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video for you people. Actually I received a lot of messages from the previous videos how to set up a trust wallet, and actually I have shared with you one video where you have to buy some DeFi tokens. So I received a lot of queries that you are unable to use trust wallet properly and how to use the trust wallet. So I thought that I should make a video for you. So let's start it. Before starting, as you know, if you are new viewers or you are currently subscribed to my channel, just watch all the videos for the crypto. If you are a beginner or you are advanced, so just watch the first 10 videos that are very important, in which you will get all the information how to start crypto, how to buy, how to sell, how to trade even. So first 5 to 10 videos are the very important videos for the beginners, in which it's like a course. So take your time and take this course and understand all the things and then make a query, because I received a lot of queries that are related to my previous videos. So I suggest you to just start watching one by one all the videos, and you will have a great knowledge, great information to get started. Alright, so just if you are the new subscriber, start from the video 1 and keep continue in your free pace. So whenever you have a time, so just start watching and get complete information, and then invest in the crypto, and wish you good luck. So before starting, just like the video if you find it very useful, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon, which will indicate that you will receive all the notification whenever I upload my new videos. So let's go ahead towards the trust wallet. Trust wallet is a software wallet. It's a very important wallet, legit wallet, which you can use to store your cryptos for a long term planning. If you are plan to save your cryptos for long term, then trust wallet is a safe wallet. There are other hard wallets in the market which you can also buy for the most secure purpose. So there is always a one parameter which is very important to secure your wallets, that is the security key. That is the very important part of the wallets, or the crucial part as well of the wallet, because if you lose that security key, you will lose your wallets. You will not get it back. You will never recover it. So the security key is the very fundamental and the important part of your wallets. Either it's soft wallet or a hard wallet. Okay, so I am going to teach you or tell you how to install the trust wallet and how to set up the trust wallet and how to engage it with the other exchanges. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and you have to install Trust, Crypto and Bitcoin wallet. Excuse me. After installation, click open. So after opening, you are here in this tab. So here it will ask you create a new wallet or already have a wallet. So these two are important points. If you are creating it first time, you will use the create a new wallet, or if you already have a trust wallet, so you will use I already have a wallet. Here you will need a security key which you already set up once you create your trust wallet for the first time. Okay, so this can be used only for those people who are changing their mobile devices or buying a new mobile and want to shift trust wallet to their new mobiles. So you can use this one, I already have a wallet, this option. For the newbies or the beginners who are setting up this trust wallet for the first time, you have to select create a new wallet. I can show you today how to create a new wallet and how to integrate with the exchanges. So just go ahead, click a new wallet. Here it will ask you accept the terms and policies, so just click on accept and continue. I understand just again verification, so just lose my recovery word. So this is the I'm talking about the things that are very crucial. You have to be most care about. I lose my recovery word, I will not able to access my wallet. So this is the basic fundamental key concept of the wallets. So these are very secured wallet due to these phrasal keys. Never ever share these recovery words with anyone. Okay, never ever share these recovery words with anyone. So just click the check button and continue. So here you have your security phrase. So you need to copy this security phrase and save it into your Excel, Word, Notepad, wherever you want, or save it into your diaries or your physical notebooks on the paper to save it for your reference. So just copy this and create a text document, put it inside, go back, click continue. Now when you continue, it will ask you again to input the security phrase in the sequence, so you have to be careful. Continue. So now you have to input your security key as it is, so just like we already have it here, saved it. So we need to use the same structure that we have copied. So in my case, spent, illness, price over honor, price over honor, dash recipe, dash receipt song blade, dash receipt song blade, brave filter now. So all set, verification is done, click done. So your wallet is successfully enabled. If you want to create a notification that you need to receive, so you can enable it, otherwise no need. So here you can see you have a trust wallet setup is done. So how to get the coins now? So this is the next step. So you can see here, this is the setting option or the gauge option. So you can just right click here. You want to enable all the coins, whatever you want, like this, Tron, Cosmos, Vet, Dash, Filecoin, Theta, Waves, Doge, QTM, Zilliqa, Icon. So all the coins which you want to see in your trust wallet, you have to just on it from here. Go back. So now you can see all my coins are in my wallet. So here I have already put one video regarding this, so you can see that video also. I will put a link under description. So for example, Ethereum, if I select Ethereum, so here I have my sender address and I have my receiver address. If you want to send my Ethereum to other exchanges, I will use send option and I will put the recipient address here. Or if I want to receive Ethereum from other people or from other exchanges, I will click on receive, and here is my address and also the barcode. I will copy the address and will share with the other peoples. Alright, so similarly it applies to all the coins. The next thing is, so this is the wallet. The next thing is dApps. dApps are the list of exchanges available. As you have seen in my previous video, I have teach you regarding the PancakeSwap exchange, how to buy DeFi tokens. So DeFi tokens can be bought from different exchanges, and all exchanges you can find here under the dApp section. If I click on PancakeSwap exchange, it will take me to the PancakeSwap exchange where I can connect my wallet. You can click on connect and select the trust wallet. See, my trust wallet is connected. Here I have, if I have my coins in my trust wallet, I can select and I can buy whatever I want. So here all the coin list of coins are available. So this is the coins where you need to buy, and this is the option where the coins that you want to buy. So this is the from and this is the to option. Okay, So let's go back. Now the next option is DEX. DEX is the very important option. DEX is used to swap your coins or to convert your coins from one to another. For example, I want to convert my BNB to, for example, Uniswap. I will select Uniswap, Ethereum. So here you can see from Ethereum to Uniswap I am going to convert. So I will select the amount, whatever amount I have here, and I will click on swap. So it will swap, my Ethereum will be swapped to Uni tokens, Unicoins. The next is exchange. Here in exchange, the same as usual, like a Binance or other exchanges, you can exchange your coins or tokens to other coins and tokens by the pair option. Like TWT and BNB is selected, so I want to buy BNB from TWT. So this is the phenomena that you need to use. It's a common phenomena to all the exchanges, Binance, everything. So similarly, as a sell option, I want to sell my BNB and I will receive the amount of TWT. Okay, now go to the setting option. Here I will show you some important things. So this is the first option, is your wallet option. So this is your multi-coin wallet. Here you need to go. So once if you forgot your wallet's phrasal key and your wallet is still active, so you can get it from here. Show phrasal key. I understand the risk. Continue. So here is your phrasal key. You can also find it here and you can save it in your safe place. Either it's your diary, computer, mobile, whatever you want, even your email or your clouds. So you can save it there. Okay. So let's go back. Even you can export account public keys. All the account public keys are available. All your wallets, these are the public keys. You can also save them into your system or everywhere in your email address or cloud. So go back. So here you have also a dark mode options. So this is the important thing, the security one. Here make sure, this is very important, please focus, make sure this auto change address must be off. If you make it on, you will see what happens. Here is the information section. I will tell you. No need to go to these things into details. So let's get back here. Security. If you make this auto change address option on, so it will change your coin's wallet address, continuously changing after a few minutes. So every time you make transactions, so the address will be changed. So somehow it is good, but as I suggested you, don't make it on, keep it off. So it will not change your coin's address continuously. So it will be, your addresses will be fixed, whatever you have. Sometimes you need to save your address with other exchanges. So if you keep this one is on, so automatically after first transaction it will be changed. So in the exchange where you have saved your wallet address, so it will be changed for your second transaction. So if you make it off, then the address that you already saved in the exchanges or you have shared with other friends to receive the coins, so then it will not be changed. So they will already have your address. So this is the important thing. I recommend you not to change. If you are saving your address with the other exchanging or sharing it with your friends, so they will have your address in their wallets as a saved wallet, as a recipient address. So they have your address, there's no need to share them again and again. So this option is used for this purpose. And the rest, there is not much important things. In the preferences, yeah, you can set here the currency and you can set here the dab browser to be enabled or disabled. Sometimes the dab browsers are disabled, so you need to enable it from here under preference section, dab browser. So here is the currency option that you want to select. The next is notification, that you need to make it on for your mobile. Whatever the transaction you made, you will receive the notifications. Wallet connect option, this is the wallet connect option. If you have other wallets, so you can connect it from this option. Okay, that's it. These are the communities. If you want to join them, so you can join them. So this is the complete overview how to set up the trust wallet, how to use your coins address to share with others, to send or receive, and how to use dApps, DEX, and settings that where the important things are there. I have already explained it to you. So here these are the three options. Also in finance, you can see the staking options in the under finance section, and collectible section you will receive your collectible selections here. For example, if you want to receive something, so you will receive your receivable information will be shown here. So the finance, whatever you have stake your coins, if you are using staking option, so staking option will be shown here. So these are the token option. All the coins and tokens will be listed here. Okay, so that's it for the trust wallet. I hope you like it, you got meaningful information from here, and you will find it easy to set up your trust wallet. So take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye then.